Heading out, going to a campground this weekend that we've never been to, and it's only about 30 miles away. On 77 South, just south of Route 30. The cat won't stop meowing. Well, I'm riding solo. Well, you can hear Pepper back there. Heather had to work till 8 o'clock tonight, so she will be coming down later tonight. Finally got Heather. She took what she thought was the quick way, and there was no service. Did you get lost? Good morning, everybody. What a beautiful day. Hoping the rain holds off. What do you say, Pepper? What?
So we are at Atwood Lake. We're actually staying in the new part of the campground. It's really nice here. If you guys haven't been, I would highly recommend it. Some of these sites are pull through, but every single parking spot has, sorry, he said I have to go right here, so I'm going to stand right here.
Trying to get that nice shower house laundry room in the background.
So anyway, every campsite here has 2 parking spots, which is nice because I normally have to park a half-mile away and John's got to come get me. So
yeah,
if it rains,
this is a handicap site because see how the table sticks out?
Oh yeah.
So people in wheelchairs, that's why the fire pit is in the concrete, so that wheelchairs can roll right up to it. Also like a public pavilion. I think you can rent 2 big grills down at that end, and this is pretty neat. Huge fire pit here. Hey, let's walk down over the hill. That is probably the longest pull-through site I've ever seen.
It's huge.
It is enormous. That's site 927. Look at the little fire hydrants. Here's our site. See that little window up front on the Palomino?
Mm-hmm.
Their hookups are really nice too. Nice. These all have 30 and 50 inside them. And it looks like the water line already has a pressure regulator on it, but I put mine on anyways. actually a year and a half. How about you, baby?
No.
This is a nice trail. One thing we don't know, sorry for the heavy breathing, I'm really out of shape. One thing we don't know is the reason I've never come here before was because I've always thought it was permanent. Call us.
You almost fell.
I know. What are people called that aren't permanent?
Day campers?
And day campers? Day trippers? Day
That's
troopers.
enough.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut all that. The whole thing.
Fuck.
What? I'm out of shape. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. I love your shirt, baby.
Thanks.
So what do you think of Atwood Lake?
I really like it down here.
Me too.
They seem to have a lot of bike-friendly trails, hiking trails.
Hiking trails. Kind of steep hiking trails. That was fun up to the tower.
It's hot. I'm sweating.
It is very humid today.
I do. I like it down here. I think it's quiet. It's nice to be by the lake. What would you give this park
Well,
out of 5 stars?
I'm totally up in the air about it because we talked to a couple of the workers here, and the section we are staying in, they said is going to be permanent eventually.
Yes.
So that's why I've never come down. That's why we've never come down here before, because I've always heard it's permanent. And that's sad to see all this nice stuff going in and finding out that it's going to be permanent one day. Because I'm sorry, but I don't think permanent is camping.
Well, people would be mad at you for saying that.
Well, that's my opinion. That's sad if it's going to go right back to just eventually
Permanent sites.
all permanent.
Yeah.
Who knows? We'll probably be dead by then.
I don't know. They've already moved some permanent sites over that loop that we're in
Yeah.
already. So they've put in new shower houses. They're super nice. They're really nice. Not air conditioning. No air conditioning.
Yeah, if you have to be in the shower house for any length of time,
You might die.
you might die. My mom and dad came down, and my dad went in there and used the facilities, and he came out looking like he was in a steam house.
Yeah, it's hot. So. Anyway,
So, yeah, that's Atwood Lake for you.
that's Atwood Lake.
I'd come back,
I would too. I would too.
get some kayaks. That's our next adventure. We're thinking about buying some kayaks. If anybody's got any suggestions on a brand of kayak, what I would like is a kayak that I eventually could hook up an electric motor to.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
So when you get too old, you can just row your boat instead of rowing your
Sometimes
boat?
you get tired of rowing and you just want to kick on the electric engine. Maybe I'll invent that.
He also wants an electric bicycle.
Yeah, ride to work. All right.
Anyway,
So
that's a wrap.
that's our adventure of Atwood Lake. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe
And give us a thumbs
and give
up.
us a thumbs up, and tell everybody Schmore Camping with the Shrags. They're pretty cool.
Oh, and we're now on Facebook. Don't
Oh yeah,
forget
now
that.
we have a Facebook,
We're on Facebook.
page.
Yep. All right. We'll talk to y'all later.
Later. We're back. We have an amendment.
An update.
So the two young ladies we talked to gave us some false information. I feel like I am leaning way into you. We called the office, and the lady there told us that I guess we are in H.
Yeah.
This will be just daily reservable. They're not going to make this seasonal. the reason there are seasonals here is because in Section A, they're redoing it to look like this, and they moved all of the seasonals from A over to our section. That's why we have seasonals over here. I guess they are going to put some dailies in A with the seasonals, but this area that we filmed is supposed to stay daily.
So
that's awesome.
Area A is the dirt. That's all the construction that's going on.
That's it.
You gotta go.
Gotta go.